Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be a do-it-yourself project. So I have two things from Ikea I recently bought and I decided to make it over to make it look a little better. So if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Now all you will need is a gold spray paint, and I'm using the Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. And first thing I'm going to start doing is spray painting. So what I'm spray painting here is some curtain rods I got from Ikea, and these are the Irja rods, and they're really inexpensive. They're like $1.75 each. So all I'm doing is spray painting it gold. So you will want to do this outside or very well open area because the smell of the gold spray is not good for your brain. So this is what it's gonna look like when I'm all done and finished. So I'm just gonna leave these to dry for an hour. Next, I'm going to start on my desk. So this is the Micke desk from Ikea, and I'm going to start on the square leg portion of the desk, and I'm just going to spray paint it gold. I'm going to spray paint these handles gold also, and this is just a overview of all the stuff I spray painted gold. Now while those things are drying outside, I'm going to put together my desk. So this desk is from Ikea and it's the Micke desk. The majority of my desk is put together, so now I'm just adding on the part of the desk that I spray painted. So these are the same handles that I spray painted earlier in the video. I know most people like to glue them on, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm be pulling and tugging at the drawer a lot. So I'm gonna drill 2 holes in it and install the handles. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's like really easy. All you need is some spray paint and some creativity. So this is what the desk look like. I'll show you an overview in a second, But this is the desk, and I also spray painted the gold rods, which look really, really nice in my apartment, especially if you have white curtains. So these are the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy. More videos to come, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.